Texas just hit the brakes on new AI data centers. A nuclear startup just tripled its valuation trying to power them anyway. A new Chinese AI model is free for almost everyone except the US, UK, and EU. And AI-powered cyberattacks are up 89% this year. Here's what's actually happening in AI today. For months, the story in AI infrastructure has been one state after another racing to approve massive new data centers. Texas just became the state that stopped and asked questions first. Governor Greg Abbott ordered regulators to audit every proposed data center before granting it a grid connection, reviewing tax breaks, water use, and community impact. The numbers explain the urgency. Texas's grid operator is tracking more than 1,800 pending projects, mostly data centers, together demanding over 5 times the grid's current peak power use. Critics say the order has no real enforcement teeth. But Texas is the busiest data center market in the country, so even a pause here ripples everywhere. Moving on, usually when a company restricts who can use its AI model, it's blocking adversarial countries. MiniMax just did the opposite. The Chinese AI company released a powerful new video-generating model, capable of 15-second high-definition clips with matching audio, completely free to download. But its license explicitly excludes the United States, the European Union, the United Kingdom, and South Korea from using it, citing those regions' evolving video AI regulations. MiniMax's engineers also shrank the model's memory needs by 2/3, small enough to run on a consumer graphics card instead of professional data center hardware. Powerful, efficient, free, and deliberately locked out of most of the West. That's a strange combination. Story number 3. A nuclear startup most people have never heard of just tripled its valuation in a matter of months. Valar Atomics raised $1 billion at a $6 billion valuation, with Sequoia leading the round. The company builds small, factory-produced nuclear reactors, cooled by helium, specifically designed to power AI computing. Last month, it used one of these reactors to run an Nvidia AI chip and host a live website, proving the concept works outside a lab. Next up, a real commercial deployment in Utah, again with Nvidia as the customer. If AI's biggest bottleneck really is electricity, building reactors like factory equipment instead of massive power plants is a genuinely different way to solve it. Fourth up, a new security report just put a number on something that's been more of a vague feeling until now. AI-powered cyberattacks are up 89% in the past year. CrowdStrike's researchers found state-linked hacking groups exploiting newly disclosed software flaws within 24 hours of them going public. A North Korean group secretly poisoning over 130 popular open-source code packages, and one attack campaign that fired off nearly 200,000 automated requests against an AI system in just 2 minutes. Attackers are using the same AI speed and scale everyone else is, just pointed in the other direction. The tools got faster for everyone, defenders included, but attackers got there first. And finally, Nvidia just released something that solves one of voice AI's most annoying problems, the awkward pause. Most AI voice assistants have to fully stop listening before they can start talking, creating that stilted back-and-forth rhythm. Nvidia's new model, Nemotron VoiceChat, can listen and speak at the same time, the same way two people having a real conversation naturally interrupt and respond to each other, with a response time under half a second. It's also the first model of its kind that can reliably use outside tools and functions mid-conversation, not just talk. And notably, Nvidia released the whole thing openly, for researchers to build on, not locked behind an API. Power, security, and who gets access to what, that's basically today's whole show, and none of it is slowing down. If this helped you keep up, subscribe. I do this every day. Be careful out there, look out for the people around you, and I'll see you in the next one.